Are pure managers especially at risk in tech layoffs? 2026. Are pure managers especially at risk as tech companies enact layoffs? With massive cuts hitting giants like Coinbase and Meta, your job security might depend on what kind of manager you are. Tech companies like Coinbase are actively reducing the number of managers who focus only on management tasks without contributing as individual contributors. This pure manager role is increasingly vulnerable because companies want player coaches, managers who lead, but also do hands-on work. Those who don't adapt risk getting laid off as organizations streamline and automate tasks. At Meta, employees told The Standard that the looming layoffs, the largest in the company's history, have left many anxious and unfocused. The uncertainty has severely impacted productivity, with some workers barely able to concentrate on their tasks. This shows how widespread layoffs affect not just those laid off, but the entire workforce's mental health and efficiency. Contrary to popular belief, AI isn't the primary driver of tech layoffs. OpenAI's Sam Altman noted that some companies blame AI for cuts that would have happened anyway. A 2025 MIT study found 95% of AI investments haven't generated productivity gains yet. Meta's Mark Zuckerberg emphasized AI helps workers do their jobs more efficiently, but isn't behind the layoffs. Instead, layoffs reflect broader strategic shifts and cost-cutting. With AI putting vast knowledge at employees' fingertips, the traditional management model is shifting. Experts say to succeed as a manager in 2026, you must actively engage in new projects and lead initiatives, not just oversee others. Coinbase managers who avoided layoffs noted that integrating AI tools helped them stay valuable. Managers who remain passive risk being replaced or laid off. The layoffs haven't spared product managers either. This year, thousands, including Bowers at a database management company, were laid off. This highlights that even specialized roles are vulnerable when companies tighten budgets and shift strategies. Product managers who can't demonstrate hands-on skills or adapt to new tools face higher risks. What this means for you is clear. If you're a manager in tech, simply managing isn't enough anymore. You need to become a hands-on leader who embraces AI and drives projects. Staying adaptable is critical to job security in this turbulent landscape. For more updates on tech trends and job impacts, subscribe to Daily Q&A now.